And in our top business story, Gulf officials have agreed to formulate a general framework for the introduction of a value-added tax, or VAT, in the region. Citing sources from the Kuwaiti news agency, Emirates news agency WAM reported that the undersecretaries of the Ministries of Economy and Finance of countries in the GCC agreed to the deal at the 46th meeting in Doha. The report quoted the Undersecretary of Kuwait's Finance Ministry, Khalifa Hamada, as saying that a legal team has been assigned to finish the framework, which is to be submitted at a meeting of the GCC Ministers of Finance and Economy in May, with requirements for the establishment of the customs union to be finished by the end of this year. The 6 nations of the GCC have been mulling the introduction of VAT since 2007 to broaden their revenue base, with negotiations happening jointly. A levy of between 3% and 5% has been proposed, but a figure has not been finalized. Prime residential rents in Dubai flatlined over the last 6 months of 2014 as the Emirates real estate market continued to stabilize following strong growth in the previous year. Knight Frank, in its Prime Global Rental Index, showed that although rents in Dubai increased by 8.1% in the fourth quarter of 2014 compared to the year earlier period, zero growth was registered between second quarter and fourth quarter. Globally, the index saw a notable slowdown during the fourth quarter of 2014. On an annual basis, the index rose by just 0.6% in 2014, its weakest rate of growth since 2009. At 6.5%, the Middle East recorded the strongest increase of all the world regions year on year. Moscow, where rents are largely US dollar denominated, saw prime rents plummet by 16%, due primarily to the weakness of the ruble. Last month, Knight Frank said house prices in Dubai had slumped by more than 6% in the past 6 months. Its global house price index showed that between the end of June and end of December 2014, prices fell by 6.2%, making it the worst performing real estate market of 55 tracked. Dubai-based shopping mall operator Majid Al Futtaim has revealed that its overall group revenue rose 11% year-on-year to 25 billion dirhams in 2014. The company said in a statement that earnings from recurring operations grew by 10% year-on-year to reach 3.6 billion dirhams, with the company's CEO stating that it aims to double the size of its business in the next 5 years. The company said it continues to maintain a strong balance sheet with total assets valued at more than 45 billion dirhams and a net debt of around 8 billion dirhams. The statement also added that Majid Al Futtaim's Mall of Egypt construction is on schedule to be completed in 2016. Innovative technology solutions such as electronic resource planning software can play a vital role for business development, particularly for small and medium enterprises, to improve overall management. That's according to a senior official from SAP. At a press conference, the managing director of the UAE market for SAP announced their partnership with Bin Hindi Enterprises to implement the software for the company's retail solutions. According to the official, the retail conglomerate is the first company in the country to implement their Go Live service on HANA Cloud platform. It was added that innovative management solutions can allow firms to adapt in the social and data-driven business environment, which can help to support operations and optimize management. Aside from benefiting large businesses, the official added that there is a growing demand among smaller firms as technology can transform their operations and offer an environment of accelerating growth. Commenting on the launch, Muhyiddin Bin Hindi, the president and chairman of Bin Hindi Enterprises, added that information is power and the access to data should be useful for analyzing performance and improving the functions of their departments such as finance, stock management, and sales in particular.
HANA Enterprise Cloud System is a system which is an in-memory database, real-time database platform that helps companies to make decisions faster, real-time, and simplifies the business processes across the whole company. Every company has the information, but the ability to really manage this information and get the maximum out of it is the differentiation point. So our solutions, SAP solutions, helps companies to really analyze the data, analyze the information, get useful insights from it, and take action so that they can serve the customers better, faster, and increase their market share.
To manage business, you have to be alert, you have to have information, you have to have everyone having the information at the same time, the correct information. It's not very easy to do business, as you saw the movie on SAP. But with ERP like SAP, it does make it very easy. It does give you a lot of knowledge. It does give you, HANA will give you, if you sell a pen, it'll straight go to your P&L and give you the result for that pen you sold. So it's really fast. And today, speed is very important in business. Speed is important in doing projects. Speed is important when your goods arrive into the stores. So it's really it's a must to have ERP. We don't know how we used to really function before, but when you get all these IT technology that helps you to build your business, it becomes so brilliant and so easy to do business.